Hola a todos, me llamo Hana y bienvenido a mi canal. Hoy voy a compartir con ustedes. No, I'm kidding. I don't speak that much Spanish. Today I'm going to share with you guys some essential Spanish and useful phrases that helped me in my own Spanish learning journey. Now, I'm not at a fluency level where I can teach grammar or anything, but I do have a fiance who is Mexican and grew up in a Spanish-speaking household. So I've picked up some phrases that I use often when I am with his family or at their parties. So I thought I'd share these with you. But first, I want you guys to hear that I am a noob. This is my Spanish self-introduction, so you get a sense of where I'm at. Okay, here we go. Hola, mucho gusto, me llamo Hana. Soy japonesa filipina americana. Hablo inglés y japonés. Estoy aprendiendo español porque mi novio es mexicano y su familia habla español. Viaje a México con su familia. Mi objetivo es tener una conversación en español, pero mi español es no bueno. So yeah, that's about where I'm at. It's very basic, but I just survive with this level. Okay, let's get into some greetings and phrases. When I enter his house, his family will greet me with hola, and then I say hola hola or hola in the morning, buenos dias in the afternoon, buenas tardes in the evening, buenas noches. And after that, you should know the variations of how are yous. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo está? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué onda? To that I say, estoy bien, gracias. Or simple, bien, gracias. Todo bien. Bruh, how rude of me. I should reply with, ¿cómo estás? And a small talk like, hace frío, hace calor, like it's cold outside. It's hot outside. At Mexican parties, there are people who you do not recognize at almost every party. So they might ask you, ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? I say, me llamo Hana y soy la novia de Joel. Because they know my fiance, I just say I'm his girlfriend along with my name. Soy la novia de Joel, me llamo Hana, mucho gusto. And then at parties, they will offer you something. Like, ¿quieres comer? ¿Quieres algo? ¿Quieres algo de tomar? You can say, sí, agua por favor, gracias. Huele sabroso. Ooh, I go into his house. I say, huele sabroso. ¿Es birria? Because I see the big pot. I'm like, is it birria? They're like, sí. Oh, no, it's pozole. After I receive the food or finish the food, in Japanese, there's phrases itadakimasu and gochizou-sama deshita. But I don't know if that exists in Spanish, but I still say, gracias por la comida. Thank you for the food. This one is a good one to know. Cheers. Salud. And also when you say bless you after someone sneezes, I say salud. And then also at parties, they will ask you, how's the food? And I say, me gusta. Variations of this is delicious. Está muy delicioso, está rico, está sabroso, está bueno. And when you're offering help, ¿necesitas ayuda? Let's say someone is coughing or choking. I say, ¿estás bien? ¿Quieres agua? Are you okay? Do you need water? And then bring them some water, or they say, estoy bien. Let's say you bump into someone or you burp, I don't know. Perdón. This is a useful phrase to know. ¿Cómo se dice en español? I use this a lot. ¿Quieres ver una película? No, gracias. Estoy cansada. Tengo sueño. Estoy emocionada. ¿Quieres comer más? If you're full. Sorry, estoy llena. Gracias. Or maybe you are hungry. Tengo hambre. Tengo mucha hambre. When you're leaving. ¿Listos? To that I say lista. Muchas gracias por todo. Buenas noches. And that's it. Those are the essential Spanish greetings and useful phrases that I use all the time. You know, I should be better at Spanish considering that I have been with my fiance for over 5 years. You know what? I'm working on that. But I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other useful phrases, please comment below. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.